This is fire. Big fire, not little fires. Everywhere. Okay?
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I am here with another one from Nadula Hair. We are fresh face, bright eye, bushy tail because I'm going to get into curling this unit up. But let me introduce her. Okay, let me introduce Mother. We have, mind you, let me slow down. I do currently have on a Nadula unit. This is the V part. Breathable V part. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I wear it every single day. Like if I'm like, oh, I don't know what I'm gonna wear in my hair, like I'm putting on my V part, period. Okay, so this is what you guys can see how it's looking like over time. It's no lie, I wear her to bed, do not wrap her up. That's why she look like this. Probably been doing that for 2 weeks straight. So there you go. This unit is a kinky straight unit, okay? She's absolutely positively stunning. The lace is gorgeous. Let me pull up the deets. This is a 4x4, 150% density lace wig. So this is a lace closure wig, which we absolutely positively love, a 4x4. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. She has an adjustable band, which we absolutely positively love. Now this is a glueless kinky straight. They said glueless. They say it glueless. So Nadula, we putting you to the test because I ain't got to take no time. If you say it's glueless, I ain't putting a lick of glue on it. Okay? So she's a glueless unit, okay? Look at how good the lace looks already, guys. Like already she looks really, really well plucked and everything like that. The parting space is a little thin. So I'm going to go through and pluck a little bit. In there, but again, this unit is really, really stunning. The hair feels absolutely beautiful. So what I'm going to do is let me show you guys what she looks like on really quick, and then we'll get into what they provided us. So Nadula Hair so graciously sent over, I look like I'm about to break out on the chest. Nadula Hair so graciously sent over this robe. Okay, obviously our wig, a wig bag. You always need these for storage. Okay, a little bit of tape. This is the lace melter, as well as 2 wig caps, some lashes, and a brush. Okay, but they telling us that this is glueless, sis. And we're going to put it to the Mammy Tap test. I said what I said. I said what I said. So let me go on ahead and throw her on so you guys can see what she's looking like. I'm just going to throw her on. Because all I'm going to do is take her right off and curl her up. So. Okay. So this is Mother straight out the pack. Look how good that looks. Straight out the pack. That's what she looks like. Okay. I'm going to go in. I really want to give her some wand curlers. Really bad. I'm just in the mood for that right now. So I think I'm going to go on through and curl her up using my Revlon, my Remington, Remington wand curler, trusty, dusty, gets super hot wand curler that was probably $30 tops. So I'm going to go on through and do that. So I'm going to go on through. I'm going to curl her up. I'm going to shut my Mammy Tap mouth. Okay. And I'm going to see you on the other side. All right, my loves, let's dig on into this Nadula Hair Glueless Kinky Straight HD Lace Closure Wig. So this is a Yaki Straight human hair wig. I know I said that I had her in a 4x4, but this is actually a 5x5 at 180% density. We have her in 24 inches. This unit is currently going for $336.15. This unit is stunning. Not only do they have all the pay, zip pay, quad pay, Klarna, all that stuff to make sure you get your unit. This unit also comes in a reduced price 4x4 at 150% density for about $100 off. So we're talking about like $220, $250, between $220 and $250 to get this same unit with a little less density. So to me, this is absolutely positively worth hitting up that guy you really don't like
but you know you can get a couple dollars out of to get your wig, sis. We all done been there, okay? We trying to be cute. Like, damn that, it's cuffing season. Ain't nobody trying to be out here looking a mess. So I'm just going through with my Babyless wand curlers. I chose to use these instead of the Remington curlers only because the Babyless wand curlers get a little bit hotter. Not only do they get hotter, but they're a larger barrel, and that was kind of the wave that I was going for at the time. This unit is absolutely positively stunning. She is big head friendly. The beautiful thing is that she has that band that really makes her feel safe and secure when you're wearing her Glueless. It really does put it over the top. This unit is quality. You know you're going to have, you get what you pay for. And for that, not only do you get these great gifts, but you get absolutely positively great hair.
So this is her fresh out, all the way curled up. Again, I use my Babyless Pro wand curlers. These actually ended up working a lot better. I don't know why. I just like them a lot better. Usually my Remingtons does the job, but this is also thicker hair. So you have to keep that in mind as well. So I'm just going to throw this on and see what she's working with. How perfect is she? Is it me? Like, she looks absolutely perfect. I'm really, really into this one. This unit for 24 inches at a 4x4 at 150 density, I think it's going for just under $240. Super inexpensive. The hair feels, I mean, super inexpensive for what you're getting. Like, we got to be honest. Like, when you purchase quality units, this is what you get. One of the most beautiful things about purchasing a unit from Nadula Hair is that they guarantee quality. So if you have any issue, and I'm saying this to all the girls in the back, I'm saying it to you. If you're having any issues with the hair, you receive the hair, it's not what you thought it would be, whatever the case may be, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's massive, because what they're saying is that we guarantee you that the hair that we say that we're going to provide is what we're going to provide, right? So that's really why I bang with them so hard, because, I mean, look at this. She's stunning. No, nothing on the lace. Nothing. Nasty. Absolutely positively stunning. I was going to go in and do something else to this hair, but it's just really no point. Let me turn around so you guys can see. Okay. Check out the back. Make sure my track stands here on, sis. I mean, I wish you could touch this hair. Do you hear me? I feel like I'm on the front of a perm box. I wish you could touch this hair. It's so good. It feels so soft. We all know the troubles that plague us with kinky straight hair. We all know it. Like, you know what I mean? It's a tale as old as time. Because you have kinky straight hair, you got crackly, you know, snap, crackle, pop ass hair. That's not the case. Like, you know what I mean? Some of us are 4C. Some of us still have nice, thick, soft, beautiful hair. And it's just thick. Like, and it's just kinky. You know what I mean? I don't know. I am feeling myself. My husband will like this one, y'all. So I'm just going to use my Andy straightener, okay? Everything that I use today can be found on my Amazon store. So I'm just going to use my Andy straightener to really, I like a flatter install, but I didn't want to flatten it too much while it was on the mannequin head, because I always curl stuff up on the mannequin head and can never tell. Can never tell that it's been like, if it's flat or not. I don't know why. That's something that I'm really still struggling with as far as like curling on the mannequin head. But y'all know one thing I'm gonna do is throw some waves up into a wig, honey. This is fire. Big fire, not little fires. Everywhere. Okay? Well, are y'all picking up what I put it down? I didn't even do that to this, y'all. She's done. She's done. What do you think? Nadula hair, this was so easy to get together. I know that there is a rumor. Okay, come close. Come a little bit closer. There is a rumor that the girls are not wearing wigs like that, like ear-to-ear lace like that anymore. Is this true? Is this true? If there's a rumor, bust down and let me know what you guys think. Are we moving into the era of clip-ins, sew-ins again? Is that what we're doing? Maybe not me. I'm going to stay on this side. Because I'm a kind of snatch and go kind of chick. I ain't even going to pretend. I'm a snatch and go, throw this thing. Y'all should see how I treat these wigs with absolute disrespect. Okay? I mean, it's hair everywhere in my house. Okay? Like everywhere. Like sometimes I sit on the couch and be like, oh, what is that? So, that's life. Okay? I'm not getting rid of this. Look at this. Girl, good night. She's a banger. An absolute positive banger. I have nothing left to say except for less than $250 and 24 inches, why hit the link in the bio. Period. Nadula hair is coming through, and they guaranteeing you that they'll give you your money back if they ain't acting right. I've said all that needs to be said. Bust down. Subscribe to this Mammy Tammy channel. Thank you so much for coming on in here. I am your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumps later.